When Quick Agents drafts a WhatsApp campaign from a template, you can approve it in seconds. Here's how. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Agents, then the dashboard. Go to Agents and select WhatsApp Template Agent. Open one recent task to review the suggested campaign. Click Approve. Scroll the task details to verify content and settings. Then click Approve again to finalize. Return to WhatsApp Template Agent to confirm the task shows as approved. That's it. The WhatsApp template suggestion is approved and ready for your next step. Select recipients and send. Quick Agents can also draft your social posts for you. Here's how to approve a suggestion and publish it. From the same Quick Agents dashboard, go to Tasks and select Social Media Post Suggestion. Click Approve to accept the suggested post. Choose Post Now to publish immediately. Open Quick Social, then Post to review channel-specific results. Check your post on Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, and LinkedIn. That's it. Approve the suggestion, post with one click, and verify it across all your social channels in Quick Hub.